My son Ryan Karthik, he's actually two years old. He is a microcephalic child who was diagnosed with myoclonic jerks. It's kind of seizures which triggers due to repetitive twitching and all these things. And he was diagnosed when he was 8 months old. He was into 4 major anti-epileptic drugs to control his seizures, but none of them which initially worked for him, but as the time goes, which didn't show great effort on his seizures. We were to put him on a ketogenic diet. Initially it was just an online consultation which we were into a ketogenic diet through the dietitian from Aster Hospital, Dr. Edwina, and later we got to know about Dr. C.P. Ravi Kumar, the neurologist here, who took up the diet in such a way that it caused so much miracles in my child. He was initially having a seizure episodes of 100 jerks in a day, which was too much, and we didn't know how to control it. Like, we tried very much, too much of combinations of anti-epileptic drugs, and subsequently now it's been a short journey for us. It's just been 3 months we are into the diet. I see so much changes in my child. It's like physically there is so many changes, as well as the social interaction, the behavioral changes. It doesn't all too much. Now the seizure is controlled in such a way, it's just the 100 jerks in a week. So his communication skills has improved. He is into so much of activities now. Initially there is no changes in him at all, but now when he's put into the diet, you can see so much changes in my child. You can see so much improvement communication wise. He's now able to pronounce all the vowels, and there is improvement in his head circumference too, and his height is improved. Now he's having a height and weight which a normal child can have in his appropriate age. And coming to his social behavior, so initially it was just the seizure took me to such an extent that taking him to physiotherapy was of no use at all. But now going to physiotherapy has improved so much, because his alertness he's alert completely throughout the session. There is so much of improvement in his physiotherapy sessions. The child was unable to hold his head until he was 2 years old. Now he is partially holding up his neck, which is very much amazing. And through since he is on gastrostomach feed, I didn't have majorly any problem in giving the feeds through the tube. And since he had constant aspiration, everything came to a halt now. It's like the feeds has improved. His behavioral wise, it was too much, and his alertness has increased and whatnot. Particularly his seizures has improved so much that from 140 to just 30 in a day. The current seizure level is like it's like amazingly it has improved. And I would suggest mothers who are in a need, who are unable to control their children's seizures, who are worried about their controlling seizures, I would ask them to get into this ketogenic diet. Ketogenic diet works. It is just a miraculous diet now. It's like you can just control seizures through a diet rather than complicating children's metabolism with so many other medications and all these stuffs. So just if you're unable to have a hold on the seizures, please come into the ketogenic diet. You can see immense amount of improvements in your child. For getting into the diet, you should have a customized dietitian who works on this diet. Please, in this hospital, you have a good setup of doctors and dietitians mainly for the ketogenic diet. Please get into touch with Dr. Ravi Kumar and Dr. Edwina in customizing your diet in the welfare of the seizure control in your child.